Hello everyone, welcome to 16 Bits Tech. My name is Luis and today I bring to you the design partner Bridge. Okay, this partner is a structural partner from Gang of Four, I say GOF, and this intent of this partner is to connect different things as Bridge does. Okay, basically this is the idea, and for this I bring also an article that I wrote this year, I suppose, yes, maybe February, last February, yes, this year, and give some examples for maintain the knowledge. Okay, so the intent for today is teach you in few minutes how the design partner works, the main participant, the main class, and how real example of life, because sometimes using the abstract example is not so good to teach, using the real example as I did into the article to teach you in these few minutes. Okay, so that's it. Let's now jump to the code and see how this partner help us to tackle this integration problem. Okay, remember this partner also is built up front of the implementation instead of adapter. Adapter is when you have the system needs to integrate with another system or another interface. In this case, the bridge partner is to build before your code go to production. Remember, okay? So let's go. Right now, let's see this partner divide into diagram and the code, and also see the article, because the article follow and has the reference and so on. Just to remember, to recap, let's recap the bridge and the train to connect the things. Remember, okay? So first of all, let's back to article. Okay, so in this article here, I put some ideas from Gang of Four book, and also the reference from another site. And the motivation basically here is put together different things to work together. Okay, that's the main idea. The head first also said the couple are implementation, so not bound permanently to an interface. We can see this in a couple of seconds, right? So basically we have this diagram from Gang of Four, where you have the client, the refined abstraction, and the interface. This sounds a little bit abstract as the class abstract, but if you move to the code and see the separated between the vehicle and the container, and you think about that, you can see we have a kind specialized of vehicle. You can see here aircraft, truck, train, watercraft, and another side you have the interface. I have the container. Okay, if you try to put this interface container into aircraft, a truck, a train, it's possible. It's totally possible. So in this situation, we are dividing the problem and build a bridge to connect two things, the first one and the second one. In this case, this example works for me very well, because I was able to understand this partner when you have the separate things and then put it together. Okay, it basically, this diagram shows how the things are going. Okay, so if you back here you have the this diagram here is abstraction. Okay, you have the abstraction and the implementer in this case. Okay, this is abstraction here. In this case you have the vehicle. You have a lot of times a lot of kind of vehicles. If you back to app main here, let's put this bigger. Okay, and then we have truck, and truck in constructor receives a container interface, so you can, let's say, duplicate the line and say right now that the truck will be loaded by a dry bulk. Okay, it is a kind of container, a specialization of container. Basically the idea behind the bridge again is this one: connect different things. And this example is very for me good, not because I'm created it, but for me working well. Here I don't have any kind of concern or assumption regarding the Solid, because it has a lot of new. It's not a good practice because we highly couple, but this is just to demonstrate how effective is this partner. Okay, this is in the article. I put some details regarding each participant. Okay, this diagram here. In convert to the class, I also put the class, each class here as a guest. Okay, but if you don't want to copy the guest and so on, if you prefer the GitHub link, there are a lot of tests. Okay, but let's back here. Has the GitHub. If you click on the GitHub, it's open on the main project. Okay, the main model. You need to navigate to Django 4 and search main Gov behavioral. Oh no, it's structural. No, this is structural. And then right here we have the bridge. Okay, the bridge, and the diagram is right here is based on IntelliJ. I'm using the IntelliJ Ultimate version. Thanks JBCN Conf. Thank you JBCN by this license. Thank you IntelliJ JetBrains, because this facilitates my life so much. I'm saying that because I will, in short, demonstrate to no, this is not configured in this workspace. Demonstrate how to configure, how to see the database, browse the data, and so on. It's a powerful tool to developer to take advantage, to tackle any kind of problem, any kind of integration. Okay, so for today that's it. Remember, bridge to connect different things. Okay, see you on next video. I will talk about profiles in Quarkus and profiles in Spring. Okay, stay tuned. Bye bye, have a great week, and it's summer. Enjoy.